Just by being together, you give me feelings of excitement. We gain immense energy. I get the feeling to do my best, but I can't do it all alone. When I feel like a miracle, straight out in a loud voice, I say from my feelings, I love you. Your feelings and my feelings clinging tightly. That's hundreds of times the power. It's another infinity of happy. Heart, teary, teary, teary eye. Happy heart. Sparkling, free, flying friends. Everyone's the best host. Oh, oh. Heart, teary, teary, teary eye. Happy heart. The heartbeat becomes a story. Everyone becomes drawn in. Something that always lures me. You give me the feeling of a smile. I am a little shy, but happy. Thank you for giving these feelings. Thought sometimes we end up fighting. We can make up if we feel like it. We get determined. I move on and say from my feelings, I am sorry. Your heart and my heart connecting firmly. That's 100 times the courage. Look, it's another infinity of happy. More. Shake, 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 shake it. Happy heart, sparkling, free, friends, treasure things. Hurts, teary, feeling, teary eye. Happy heart, dreaming of rainbow colors together, spanning across everyone. Shake, 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 shake it. Happy heart, sparkling, free, friends, treasure things, hurt, teary, teary, teary eye. Happy heart.